Assalamualaikum, madam. My name is Muhammad Adam Aiman bin Rahmat, and today we'll be doing a reflection for our Group 6 Aergia for PEP 300. Now I'll be passing to the first person who will be talking about their reflection.
Assalamualaikum and hello, madam. My name is Muhammad Ikhwan Syafiq bin Zainabidin. I will talk about my opinion about reflections. Okay. About my reflection is hitting on weekly activities and major project which is called Talk Show. I have swingingly team building and the success that can build me positively as a person. Through this activity, it increased my motivation when my group successfully complete building activities. It created momentum and made us feel good about ourselves. It also increased my confidence in myself, in my sensibility. Moreover, while creating activity for weekly, it encouraged creativity in me by creating my own game for the creativity. It gave me permission to use my imagination to come up with creative and out of the box instruction and books. I have gained many experience as a venue coordinator. I was working in the team to complete my group project. It improved my communication skill because enjoyable and fun activity enable my group members to get to know each other and get a better understanding of each other and break down walls of the class by encouraging people to focus on what we have in common rather than our differences. In addition, truly weekly activity, we can create activity that people will enjoy and can experience as a group and build positive communication and handle some of event. Okay, that's all from me. We go to the next person.
So, hi madam, my name is Filzah Nur Iman. I'm going to talk about my reflection on PEC 300 management skill. From this subject, I learned about how to organize the event for the first time. And overall, our event went smoothly. All of this, I believe, is due to the hard work of our members and the help of our leader in leading the team and ensuring that all of his teammates do their jobs. Communication also is the key when working as a team, and all of our members apply it from the beginning of the event until the end. Next, what I learned is don't worry too much about the upcoming result because it will cause overthinking and stress, and I believe it could also lead to the failure. Simply trust the process and focus on the process only, and the outcome will be great even it didn't meet the high expectation. And I hope that by gaining this experience, we will be able to apply it in our work field by handling more large events in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next is me. I am Lim Kwok Liang. For my reflection, as what Iman said, this is also my first time to conduct an event, which is an awareness talk in my group member. We're planning this event from the start of the SEM, and we have our weekly activity to planning for our talk. And for the talk, we went smoothly and successfully. I very thank you for my group member who all is doing their job, and so our event can went successfully. And for the outcome, I think is acceptable. From the start of the event, I was very stressed. From the start, there are not much participants are coming, but at the last is acceptable. There are also the number is acceptable. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, I'm Chow Liang. Just like Lim say, we are the first time to do the activity and the event. So we don't have more experience to make the event, but it's successfully to end this event. And my job in the event is taking the videographer, and I need to arrive and take a video. when I'm taking the video, I also saw most people is very enjoy the event. And our speaker Taufiq has shared all of the knowledge about our event, about the security. And I also learned about the internet security while working here. For example, how to prevent others from tracking the money from internet and the network password security and so on. Also that Taufik also share some solution to let us know how to prevent it. So I think not only me can learn a lot, but I believe that other people also learn a lot of the useful knowledge from it. Not only that, we also learn it how to manage the event and know that the communicate skill is very important. Okay, that's all for me.
Alright, I'm Eugene. Alright. Just like my four teammates said, this is our first time to create this event. But in the end, we also do it successfully and don't need to worry about the problem. But in this event, I just realized something. From many of the people don't know about how important is cybersecurity. So after they listen from this talk, most of them know about the importance of cybersecurity really important in our daily life for ourselves. And in this event, my work is as the slider, like help the speaker to tap the slide to next, or previous like this one. And when I tapping the slide, I just saw our speaker really do it really focusing when talking to us, talking to all the people that in front of him. And the slide that he created is also really useful for all people to get it. Not like, oh, just elaborate on them, or just like, or come in and talk about something and not talk so much for them. So, in the end, I think this event really great for everybody. And I also want to thank my teammate Nick for the hard working that we do it together. And sometimes anybody can problem, we can communicate together and solve it together and don't worry. Alright, that's all from me. Pass to my last member.
Assalamualaikum madam, it's me again, Muhammad Adam Aiman bin Rahmat. And for my task for this event, I am the leader. And as a leader, I also manage all of my teammates to do their tasks and also see through all the way through the event for any problems, any mistakes. But Alhamdulillah, after the event, I think just like my group members said before, everything went smoothly and there's no problem with this event. Yes, there is a feeling of we do feel scared while doing this event because on the early stages, we do not know how to plan for this event because just like everybody said before, this is our first time organizing an event. Although it doesn't have a scale as a normal NSU event, but this is good for us to learn on how to manage an event. So, for my reflection, I can say that this PET 300 task does show us and show also me to on how to manage and also do a task for a team, to do a teamwork. It shows us how to uh, do it as a unit, as a team, to make it to have a final product that is um, great and good for the attendees that join our event. And also, I have learned on how hard it is to apply for GEMS in MSU and how hard it is to promote this event on the early stages when we're trying to do the promotion. And again, I just want to say we have learned a lot. Thank you, madam, for this opportunity. And also, thank you, everyone, for joining our event. And thank you to my teammates for doing your best. And yeah, nothing to say less, nothing to say more. That's all. Thank you, madam, for listening. And goodbye. Assalamualaikum. And I hope to see you on the next time.